So here it is. After going to 9 stores, 2 states, and 3 towns, I couldn't find a rototiller that actually, you know, was a rototiller and not a cultivator. So I got on Amazon, and the choices really weren't that many on there, but anyways, this is the one I've got. It's called a TAZZ. So we'll put this together and see how it works. So you want to slide one of these on here first. Make sure you got your tines in the right direction with the arrows. And then when you slide this on, this 10 by 45 millimeter will not go through that hole. So that's going to have to get drilled out as far as I can tell. But it goes down through the rest. So I'm going to drill that out a little bigger. So yeah, it looks like you'll have to drill those out just a little bit wider than what they were. Hate to start drilling holes in something brand new, but they just don't fit otherwise. Again, make sure you got your tines pointing the right way towards with the rotation. So there's the second one through, and yeah, you're going to have to drill those out. Got a 15 millimeter and a 16 millimeter wrench to put these back on here with. Alright, next is the handlebar assembly. This is what it should look like before the bolts are through. Alright, it says to start with the bottom. The easiest way to get that lined up is to put it on there and hit the bottom of that tire. You'll have to keep your leg on here to keep it from falling, but just keep hitting that tire until you get it up to the hole, and then it'll go through. Okay, now you want to wait with the other two for your handlebars. It's time to slide your shields on the side. And if you just start it just like that, just start it just like that, it should slide right in all the way until it clicks. Just like that. And we'll do the other side. Alright, so now we'll put this bolt in, and then we'll put the handle on up here, depending on where you want it. Alright, then flip it up and we'll put the pulley cover on. You have to take all these screws out and then put them back in once you get it set on there. Alright, those are all tight. This one right here, it doesn't really tighten all the way. It popped right out once. I got it back in and kind of tight. 3 out of 4 is not bad, I guess. Okay, next is this drag pin, and I put it all the way up until I get it to the guard, and then I usually put it all the way to the deepest setting. Okay, then your handlebars. I got mine on the 2 lowest mount holes, and leave those loose. So there we go. Tighten up these last 4 and put on your cross member up here, and she's all ready to go now. I just have to put some oil in it. It comes with oil, and gas it up. Okay, you're going to take that 12-ounce bottle and dump the whole thing in here. That's 4-cycle 10W30. And then you're going to fill it with regular gasoline right to this plastic piece. Turn it on.